Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Porter from Washington Elementary School. And today we are going to be doing another writing piece. And you are going to be looking back on the traits that described Wilson, which is what we used yesterday. And then you're going to be looking also at the traits that described Jane, which I think you did earlier in the week or last week, maybe last week with a different teacher. Okay? So what you're going to be doing is identifying one trait that Jane and Wilson have in common. Then you're going to answer that. It's not really a question. You're going to answer the question, I guess, in your writing. Because the question is, how are Jane and Wilson similar? So I'm going to look on both of these charts here. All right, and you are going to remember so much from this story, both of these stories, especially Wilson, since you just did that this week. But here we had that Wilson was persistent and determined. He was passionate. Look, Jane Goodall was also passionate. You could write about them both being passionate. Observant. They were both observant in their jobs, in being a scientist. All right, they were both persistent. They never gave up. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a writing piece identifying one trait that Jane and Wilson have in common. So you're going to name your topic again, describe your evidence, and end with a concluding sentence describing the trait that you chose that describes Wilson and Jane the best. Don't forget to do your reading for 20 minutes.